Hello and welcome to the Farming 4.0 channel. Today we have a special episode where we will explore everything you need to know about planting, harvesting, and processing fennel and carrots. We'll discover the essential steps for cultivating these healthy vegetables, how to harvest them at the right time, and what processes they undergo in factories to become high-quality finished products. If you are passionate about agriculture and want to learn the latest technologies and techniques used in the field, you are in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new videos. Enjoy! Fennel prefers full sun exposure, so choosing a spot where it will receive at least 6-8 hours of sunlight per day is essential. The ideal soil for fennel is well-drained and rich in organic matter. Before planting, loosen the soil to a depth of approximately 30 centimeters and enrich it with compost or well-decomposed manure to promote healthy plant growth. The soil should have a pH between 6.0 and 7.0 to support optimal development of fennel. Fennel seeds are best planted in early spring, after the risk of frost is past. Plant the seeds directly into the soil at a depth of 1 centimeter and space them 25 to 30 centimeters apart to allow sufficient room for growth. To ensure proper nutrition, you can apply a balanced fertilizer at planting time and again every 4-6 weeks. Carrots are typically ready for harvest 70-80 days after planting, depending on the variety. To harvest carrots, gently loosen the soil around the roots using a garden fork and carefully pull the carrots out by their tops. Harvesting can be done gradually, selecting the largest roots first to allow smaller ones to continue growing. Fennel is ready for harvest when the bulbs are well developed, usually 3-4 months after planting. To harvest fennel, cut the bulbs at the base of the stem, leaving the root in the soil. This method can encourage the plant to regenerate. Harvesting both carrots and fennel at the optimal time ensures the best quality and flavor of the vegetables. Carrots and fennel undergo detailed processing in factories to prepare them for commercial distribution. Carrots are harvested, pre-washed to remove large soil clumps, and then sorted and graded. They're thoroughly washed, possibly peeled and cut, and then washed again. Excess water is removed before packaging, followed by quality control checks and storage in temperature-controlled environments. Fennel processing starts with harvesting and pre-washing to remove soil particles. The bulbs are trimmed, sorted, and graded. They are then thoroughly washed, cut if necessary, and washed again. Excess moisture is removed before packaging, and the bulbs undergo quality control inspections to ensure they meet standards before distribution. The final step in the processing of both carrots and fennel is the packaging phase. After being thoroughly cleaned and dried, the vegetables are ready for packaging. For carrots, the cleaned and possibly cut pieces are transferred to packaging machines where they are placed into bags, boxes, or other suitable containers. These containers are often sealed to maintain freshness and protect the carrots during transport. Labels are applied, providing important information such as the product name, weight, and sometimes the date of packaging or expiry date. Fennel bulbs, after undergoing similar cleaning and drying processes, are also packaged into appropriate containers. These could be plastic bags, boxes, or other types of packaging that protect the fennel and keep it fresh. Labels are applied to provide essential information similar to that on carrot packages. In both cases, the packaged vegetables are then subject to quality control checks to ensure they meet the required standards before being stored in temperature-controlled environments. This storage maintains the freshness of the vegetables until they are distributed to retailers. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.